Hi, good day, Ma'am Angelica. Can you tell me about yourself?
Uh, Good day, ma'am. I'm Angelica Imbalat Gelwan. I'm 28 years old of age. I fin I graduated a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at STI Baguio College. I used to work as a food server and a helper, and this experience in my previous job is to develop my communication skills and efficiency, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am married, ma'am.
So do you have any kids?
No, ma'am.
Where do you live?
I live in Philippines, ma'am.
So do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have two brothers. Three brothers and two sisters.
Okay. So do you have any work experience abroad?
Uh, I have experience in Saudi Arabia as a food server and a cleaner.
So did you finish your contract there?
I I did not finish my contract because the company is closed.
Okay. So do you have any work experience here in Philippines as helper?
I used to work in the Philippines as a helper in 2017, 2019, and my duties and responsibilities is taking care of the children, do the cleaning, and do the ironing, and taking the children in the school, and cooking food.
And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom.
So how do you describe your cooking skills?
Hmm. I only know how to cook Filipino foods.
Okay. So are you willing to learn new dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So for the last question, Ma'am Angelica, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I'm Angelica Imbalat Gelwan. Um, to my future employer, I please hire me, and I promise to be kind, honest, and loyal. And I will finish my contract with you, ma'am, sir.